Make sure you stay until the end. If not fixed on time, that can lead to really expensive repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. To any of you having a Dodge Charger, you have check engine light and code P0456. That means that you have a small evap leak detected. We'll explain what can easily cause that code, what to check. Some things are things that people will never check, and if you keep ignoring that code, in some cases it may lead to really expensive repairs in the future, and we'll explain why. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that Dodge Charger we'll have even more. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos, absolutely free. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Charger or any car, you want to get them at a good price and quick shipping, you want to save money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and we'll share where you can find even additional things. So what we have specifically here, 2018 Dodge, we have the 3.6 V6 engine, quite common on Dodge Charger, but even if you have a V8 it will work as well. Now that code relates to Evap system. What is Evap? What it means? That means Evaporative Emission system. It consists of a few components. The fuel tank. You have one box by the fuel tank that's known as the canister that catches the fuel vapors. It will bring them to that device that's known as a purge control valve, and that purge valve will be connected to the intake manifold. So how the system works: back in the day guys, when the purge control valve system, the evap system wasn't developed, just fumes and vapors used to be released in the atmosphere. You know, you park your car in the garage, used to smell like gasoline, that's something normal. Now it's a closed system. You have one sensor on the fuel tank that will detect the pressure in the fuel tank, because when you have gasoline in the fuel tank it expands, it creates fumes, and you have one special box that they go through the canister, and from there guys they will come to that line which will be connected right here to the purge valve. The engine computer will detect we have enough pressure in the fuel tank, and it will tell that valve, okay, it's time to open. It will open, it will inject these fumes in the intake manifold, and from there guys they will burn through the engine. The fuel vapors will burn through the engine. You will have efficient engine that does not pollute, so that's a win-win situation. If you have code P0456, that means that you have a small system in the evap system. Small leak, excuse me, in the evap system. What can lead to a small leak? Okay, it could be a purge control valve that does not close all the way. We have a special video that explains how to test purge control valve and how to replace purge control valve on Dodge Charger, so check it out, it will teach you all about that. Now, if it may work, but if it doesn't close all the way, it will actually cause that small leak, and that can lead even to more expensive repairs, because that can cause lean fuel mixture, misfire codes, that can cause damage later to oxygen sensors and catalytic converter, so it needs to be fixed on time. Another quite common thing guys, okay, will be the fuel cap. On the fuel cap you have one special seal right here that prevents fuel vapors to come out, and it can easily crack, especially if you use a gasoline with more ethanol. Sometimes it will dry them faster. This cap had only 40,000 miles and it cracked. You can see it's out of a Volkswagen, but practically the system works the same way, and it developed a second crack, okay, right there. So multiple cracks, and third crack here. So that crack will actually let fuel vapors come out, and that could lead to that code. And after that, okay, you may have a malfunctioning cap where you have a special valve. If the evap system quits working, that valve, it's an emergency release valve practically, so if not to build up too much pressure in the fuel tank, that valve will let the pressure come out. So that's a win-win situation guys. Okay, so the car doesn't explode and everything is good, but you'll get that code. So first I will recommend to check the purge valve, then replace the cap, inspect the cap, make sure that you don't have any leaks on that line right here. Make sure it's plugged in, and make sure that that line is all the way good to the fuel tank. Okay, those are some of the most common things that we see here at the garage. If you want to see anything else specifically, let us know, leave a comment below. Our mission guys here is to save you money. If we have time, we'll try to make video for your specific problem, so we can help you, we can help other people with that problem, and we can build a community where we guys help each other and we can save money together. Thank you for watching. See you next time.